Hi guys, welcome to Tricky Cat Cam. In this video, we'll learn about draft body command. Draft body command allow you to add draft both sides of a parting surface. You can find draft body command in ribbon bar, more tab, detail feature and draft body. In draft body, we can add draft two type of face type and edge type. First we take face type. Parting object, select parting object. I am selecting the XY plane as a parting object. Draw direction ZC and select face to draw. You can see the draft are added but edge not matched. If you want to match the edge, then go to match edge and match type. First we taking isoline and OK. Edge are matched, but you can see here the draft face not tangent to the bottom radius and the top radius. I need to correct this draft tangent to the radius. Then double click, match type, select tangent to face. Now you can see the face are fully tangent to bottom radius and this top radius. Okay. Next example, draft body, reset tab, select parting object. I am selecting the seat body as a parting object. Draw direction ZC and select face. Now draft are added. If you want to match the edge, then double click isoline. Okay. Here are edge as match edge, but you can see the sharp corner occurs. In repairing parting edge, we can also add with fillets. Here you can put possible radius. Okay. If you want to remove the bottom side of draft, then click face to move to the drafted face. Select face and OK. Another example, if you want to add draft to avoid undercut, draft body, reset tab, in parting object, check the box, use drafted body as a parting object, define vector, ZC direction and select face and apply or OK. Next example, draft body, you are going to edge type. Edge type, select parting object. I am selecting XY plane as a parting object. ZC direction, stationary edges above parting edge and below parting edge. Okay. Here we can also match edge. Okay. In more setting, parting object, jersey direction, above edge and downward. If you want to fill the gap, you can select extreme face point override stationary. Okay. In another example, dot body, set type, is type, switch parting object, jersey direction, above parting and below parting. Here we can also match edge. If you want to add the radius of sharp edges, then repair parting line with fillet. And if you want to remove the draft of one side of parting surface, then select okay. So guys, hope you understand the drop body command. See you in next video. Keep watching. Thanks.